One of the features that drew me to the cottage I'm renovating in Folkestone right now were the solid wooden doors. But on closer inspection, I realised they need quite a bit of TLC. As you can see, there's quite a bit of staining here. It looks like paint was stripped on the door frame, but the job was never fully finished and there's some filling to do. So I popped to my local brewers to find out which products would best suit a renovation job on these particular doors. I wanted to keep the natural wood finish, so I was advised to use Osmo Wood Wax Finish, but of course there was plenty of prep to do first. I needed to remove the leftover paint from the mouldings of the door frame, which fortunately flaked away quite easily. I then used Osmo Wood Filler on any holes. It's always hard to achieve an identical colour, but it's best to err on the darker side of a shade, as this will be less noticeable than a lighter one. Once the filler was dry, I used a medium 120 to 150 grit sandpaper to remove stains and finished off with a finer 220 to 240 grit paper. Remember to wear a mask, by the way. Then I vacuumed away the dust and wiped over with a lint-free cloth. Osmo Wood Wax Finish is ideal for internal wall panelling, mouldings and beams, and of course doors. Now the item needs to be clean and dry before applying the wax, so I am good to go. But first things first, I'm going to give it a good stir. Always do a small test patch in a less visible area just to check it's suitable. It's better to apply the first coat to all sides before installing an item, but as this door was already hanging, I was just careful not to let it close once I'd coated the sides. Well, that has totally refreshed the door and it should stay looking good for longer because of all my thorough prep. Oh well, one down, only 8 to go, but you know what they say, as one door closes, another opens.